Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to create the clip tower and dogos using UGNX software. So this feature is already existing in the dump part. So in NPD what you used to do is like you need to create one separate file and you will attach it. If you are creating from dump to parametric or non-parametric, you need to follow the existing profile. So here everything will be remain same, just we need to create the profile. So first, whenever you are creating the feature, try to create the feature by using coordinates XYZ plane axis also. So I'm going to create one center point for this feature. So for creating the point, I'm going to go and taking the point, and if you select the point on face and then if you give u and v parameter 0.5, so it will locate exactly on the center of the selected surface. So I'm just changing this value to 0.5. U and V I'm changing to 0.5 so that my point has created at the center of this surface which I have selected. So next I'm going to create an coordinate point by using this point, so that if you change, if later on if you want to change this feature, if you change this location of this coordinate point, it will get updated. So here I'm checking XYZ origin. So first I'm selecting the specific origin point. From here you can select, or from the tree you can select it. Axis system by default it has taken. If you want to reverse it, you can reverse. So once you created, your axis system is normal to the future. So this feature is created according to main tooling direction or not. You can keep this particular axis normal to that view. If you click and outer edges are visible, then your part also feature also creating in the same main tooling direction. So I'm going to create the sketch. In sketch we need to click the exact point. Here we have the specific point and origin work part of the point. So if you give specific point and click this point, so that your origin will start here XY, otherwise it will keep somewhere else, so it will be difficult for you to draw in the part creating the feature. So now I'm going to create this clip tower feature. So this is just on eye section. Just I will create the eye and later on I will remove the existing material on these sides, so that I will get this profile. So while creating, I'm going to use the surface. Finally, I will thicken it and I will do the part. So first, just I'm going to create eye section. So I have created the side profile. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to split this surface in my eye section so that I will get this profile. So in extrude we have the sheet option so that whatever that profile you have, it will create a surface. So by clicking the sheet option you can get the surface profile. Profile is created. By using trim option in surface, I'm just going to remove this unwanted material on the side. So here you can see the profile how it has generated. So my required shape has created. So my center section of clip tower has created. We can do different approach also. We can create a straight profile and finally you can have the chamfer on the top. So in design you can approach different kind of profiles according to your idea. Here just I have shown one of the method of creating clip tower. So I'm just trying to add the thickness for this part, but it is not taking, it is taking only one single surface. So that what I'm going to do is I'll create a separate thickness for the parts for the faces. So next we are going to create the profile for the doggos. So here in this particular view, normal to this view, all the features are visible. So whenever you are creating the parametric, you need to take the outer profile. If you are taking outer profile, then you are going to remove some material in your part with respect to the bottom surface. If you are taking inner edge of the profile, then you need to add some material. So whenever you are going to create a plastic part parameter, so parametric, all the features will have the draft. So finally you need to give the draft, then only the part will get matched. While giving the draft, there is some small thickness variation will be there, like 0.01 or 0.02. Those things manually you can add by selecting that particular face. No need to edit on the sketch. So while doing the parametric, your sketch should be proper and with constraint, fully constrained. And mostly you try to give this horizontal and vertical line for creating the profile. Here just I am creating the doggo's profile. How we have done, similarly I am doing how we got done for the clip tower. The same way I'm doing this profile for the doggos. So once the profile is created, we can do the same way by extrude. Now I'm going to give, instead of face, the body, so that I'll get a extruded part. For next I will do the shell. By using shell, if I remove that unwanted face, I will get this doggo's profile. See, this is how my profile will looks like. So I will do the shell with the respective thickness of the doggos. So if you see that profile is not matching, so I need to add some draft. I'm not going to do this one in this video. In next video, I'll do the try to match this doggos. So that clip tower, I'll try to match it, and I'll show how to follow that one. So the clip tower side wall, I'll match. So now after doing the unit, we have the future for doghouse and clip tower. So everywhere in the front it is matching, on the draft areas it is not matching. Now I am going to match the side wall. By using the measure tool you can find the draft value. So here it is showing 00. Because of some graphical issue it is not glittering. So this face also it is matched. The top portion I need to remove, and next I will add the chamfer. In next video I will do that one. So now I am going to match the left side wall of this clip tower. So if you do more practice on parametric part, then only you will get how to do the part. Please practice some of the parts for the parametric creation. If you have any doubt, please add it in the comment box. I'll try to create the video for that one. Otherwise, personally, we can discuss that one in one-to-one meeting in online. So this side wall is not matching. I'm going to match this wall. Before that, I'm just measuring the value of the angle, how much draft difference is there. We'll have three issues on creating the parametric feature. One, we need to exactly match the size of the part, and another one we need to match exactly the angle of the draft which has given, and next one we need to match the inner or outer edge of the feature. So according to that only your draft angle and your draft direction will change. If I am trying to match the bottom edge while creating the sketch, then I need to remove. If I am trying to match the inner edge, then I need to add some draft on the side wall. So here I have given the draft 0.5 degree. Please subscribe to this channel if you like this video. In upcoming session, I'll try to add some Unigraphics tutorials for creating the trim parts. So just I'm adding some thickness to this particular surface. Whatever the difference, I'm just adding it so that this surface will get matched. After adding, just I'm hiding this existing dump profile. So if you see, there is some mismatch. If it is coming like this, then there is an issue in our draft profile, draft direction or draft plane which have the neutral. So if it is having any interference at the center, so definitely whenever you are creating the feature you will face these issues, but these are all like resolvable issues. Without these issues we can't create in one single step itself the parametric creation. So that is why it will take some time. So how I am resolving it, please watch. If you watch fully this video, you will get an idea and you can practice on your model. If you want this model, just make a comment. I will share this particular model to you so that it will be helpful for you. With this tree also I will try to share this file. So if you see, it is intersecting whatever that dump and our part is intersecting, then there is some issue with our draft direction. Exactly, I need to match this top surface, then only my profile will get match exactly.